Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to see the topic exponents. Okay, exponents. Let us begin. See, 2 to the power of 5. So if any number it is in the form, then this down that number 2 is called base, and the number which is above that number is called power. Base, power. So 2 to the power of 5 means 2 5 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. Okay. Now let us go for some laws of exponents and some examples of this. So first law, a to the power of m into a to the first law, a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Means bases are same, and in multiplication base powers should be added. Okay, powers should be added. For example, see here, 2 to the power of 4 into 2 to the power of 3. Bases are same, power should be added. 2, write 2 one time, 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, 7. Next, 5 power of 7 into 5 power of 2. 5 power of 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2, 9. K power of minus 6 into k power of 8. So k power of minus 6 plus 8. Say 8 minus 6, 2. K power of 2. P power of 5 into p power of 9. Bases are same, power should be added. P into p power 5 plus 9. 9 plus 5, 14. This is first law. Next, second law, a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So bases are same, and in division, so power should be subtract, m minus n. See the examples. 3 power of 11, 3 power of 11 by 3 power of 9 is equal to 3 power of 11 minus 9. 11 minus 9, 2. So 3 power of 2. Next, 7 power of 4 by 7 power of 3. It means 7 power of 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, 1. 7 power of 1. Next, k power of 8 by k power of 3. Bases are same, division. So k power of 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3, 5. Next, third formula, a power of m whole power of n. So a power of m into n. Power of power. So a power of m into n, mn. See the example. 3 power of 2 power 8. So 3 as it is, 2 into 8. 2 8s are 16. Next, 4 power of 5 whole power of 3. So 4 as it is, 5 3s are 15. Next, x power of 6 whole power of 7. X as it is, 6 into 7, 42. Next formula, x into y power of n, common power. So bring the power here, x power of n into y power of n. X power of n into y power of n. Okay, let us go for the example. 2x power of 3. So 2 power of 3 into x power of 3. 2 power of 3, 2 into 2 into 2, 8, x cube. Next, 3y power of 2. So 3 square, y square. 3 square, 3 3s are 9, y square. Next, x, y, z, w power 5. So x power of 5, y power of 5, z power of 5, w power of 5. Okay. Next formula, x by y power of n. So x power of n by y power of n. X by y power of n. So x to the power of n by y to the power of n. Let us go for example. 2 by 3 power of 7. So 2 power of 7, 3 power of 7. Next, x into y by z into w power 6. X power of 6, y power of 6, z power of 6, w power of 6. Next, 4 by 7 power of 8 means 4 to the power of 8, 7 to the power of 8. Next, negative x to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by x to the power of m. So if a power is negative form, so 1 by positive. X to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by x to the power of plus m. Let us go for example. 5 power of minus 2 implies 1 by 5 power of plus 2. 5 power 2, 5 5 is 25. Next, 3 power of minus 4 means 1 by 3 power of plus 4. 3 power of 4, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 4 times 81. Next, 2 power of minus 5 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of plus 5. 2 5 times 1 by 32. Last, x to the power of 0, 1. Any number power 0, 1. Next, for example, 8 power of 0, 1. 1000 power of 0, 1. Minus 99 power of 0, 1. 2 power of 0 plus 3 power of 0. 2 power of 0, 1. Plus 3 power of 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Now, let us see the formula only. This is laws of exponent. A power of m into a power of n. Bases are same, power should be added. A power of m by a power of n, a power of m minus n. A power of m whole power of n, a power of m into n. X into y power of n, x power of n, y power of n. X by y power of n, x to the power of n, y to the power of n. X to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by x power of m. X power of 0, 1. Okay. Next, simplify 2 power of 10 into 2 power of 4. So given, so bases are same, power should be added. 2 power of 10 plus 4, 2 power of 14. Next, 9 square into 9 power of 18 into 9 power of 10. Bases are same. Power, write 9 one time. 2 plus 18 plus 10, 30. Next, 3 power of 3 by 4 power of 4 into 3 by 4 power of 3 into 3 by 4 power of 8. Bases are same. Write one time. 4 plus 3 plus 8. So 3 by 4 power of 15. Next, minus 3 power of 3 into minus 3 power of 10 into minus 3 power of 7. Bases are same. Power should be added. 3 plus 10 plus 7. Minus 3 power of 20. Next, 1 by 2 power of 4 into 1 by 2 power of 5 into 1 by 2 power of 6. So bases are same. Write base one time. 4 plus 5 plus 6. So 1 by 2 power of 15. Next, minus 2 power of 7 into minus 2 power of 3 into minus 2 power of 4. Bases are same. Write base one time. Power should be added. 7 plus 3 plus 4. Minus 2 power of 14. Next question. 4 power of 4 into 5 by 4 power of 4. 4 power of 4 as it is. Now bring power to that. 5 power of 4 by 4 power of 4. So this 4 power of 4 and this 4 power of 4 cancel. 5 power of 4 is the answer. Next, 2 power of 3n plus 7 into 2 power of 7n plus 3. Base are same. Power should be added. 2 3n plus 7 plus 7n plus 3. So 2 3n plus 7n 10n plus 7 plus 3 10. Next 2 to the power of 4a into 2 to the power of 5a. Bases are same. Power should be added. 4a plus 5a. 2 to the power of 4a plus 5a 9a. Next minus 4 power of 6 by minus 4 power of 3. Here division. So minus 4 power of 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 3. Minus 6 power of 9 by minus 6 power of 5 means minus 6 power of 9 minus 5. Minus 6, 9 minus 5, 4. Next from 10 to the power of 3 whole power of 3. Power of power. So 10, 2 3s are 6. 3 power of 2 whole power of 2. So 3 as it is, 2 2s are 4. Minus 6 power of 4 power 4. So minus 4 time it become plus 6, 4 4s are 16. Minus 5 by 6 power 2 whole power of 5. So 2 5s are 10. So minus 10 time it become plus 5 power of 10, 6 power of 10. Okay. Next simplify 2 to the power of minus 3. We have a formula a to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a power of m. A power of minus m is equal to 1 by a power of m. So 2 to the power of minus 3 means 1 by 2 to the power of 3. 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times 8, 1 by 8. Next 5 to the power of minus 4. 5 to the power of minus, so means 1 by 5 power of 4. 5 power of 4 means 5 4 times. 5, 5, 5, 5, 625. Next 7 to the power of minus 2. 7 to the power of minus 2 means 1 by 7 power of 2. 1 by 7 power of 2 means 7 7s are 49. Next 4 by 3 power of minus 5. See here, this is 4 by 3 minus. If you reciprocal means 3 will go up, 4 will come down, minus will go. 4 by 3 become 3 by 4, minus will go. So 3 power of 5, 4 power of 5. Same 11 by 10 power of minus 8. See, this is 11 by 10 minus 8. Reciprocal, 10 will go in the numerator, 11 will be the denominator. 10 by 11 minus finish. So 10 power of 8, 11 power of 8. Okay. Next question. Find the value of x. 5 power of 6 into 5 power of 2x is equal to 5 power of 10. See here, bases are same. Power should be added. So 1 time of 5, 6 plus 2x is equal to 5 power of 10. Implies this 5 cancel. 6 plus 2x is equal to 10. Send plus 6 there, minus 6. 10 minus 6, 4. 2x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 by 2. 4 by 2 means 2. So x is equal to 2. Next question. 2 by 3 power of 3 into 2 by 3 power of 5 is equal to 2 by 3 power of x minus 2. Given. See here, bases are same. Write one time, power should be added. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5, 8. This RHS as it is. Now see here, implies 2 by 3 cancel. 8 is equal to x minus 2. Send minus 2 there. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2, 10. X is equal to 10. Next, 7 to the power of 2x plus 1 divided by 49 is equal to 7 power of 3. Given this is here, divide means by 49 is equal to 7 power of 3. 49 I can write as 7 power of 2. So am by an, a power of m minus n. So plus 2 will come up and become minus 2. So 7 power of 2x, 1 minus 2 minus 1 implies 7, 7 cancel. 2x minus 1 is equal to 3. Send minus 1 there, it become plus 1. So 2x is equal to 3 plus 1, 4. X is equal to 4 by 2. X is equal to 2. Next, if minus 3 power of n plus 1 into minus 3 power of 5 is equal to minus 3 power of minus 4, find n. This one. So given, see, base same. So bases are same, power should be added. So 3 power of n plus 1 plus 5 is equal to minus 3 power of 4. Minus 3, n as it is, 1 plus 5, 6 is equal to minus 3 power of 4. Implies minus 3 cancel. N plus 6 is equal to minus 4. Send plus 6 there, it become minus 6. N is equal to minus 4, minus 6, minus 10. Simplify. Next question, x to the power of 4 into y to the power of minus 2 power of 3 into x power of 3 y power of 6 given. See here, now x 3 4s are 12 into y minus 2 into 3 minus 6 into x as it is 6 3s are 18 into y 6 1s are 6. Now here x, y, x, y. So x and x one side, y and y one side. Bases are same, power should be added. X 12 plus 18, y minus 6 plus 6. X to the power of 12 plus 18, 30. Y power of minus 6 plus 6, 0. X to the power of 30 as it is, y power of 0, any power of 0, 1. X to the power of 30 into 1 is x to the power of 30. Next question, 9 power of 9 into x square, y power of minus 1 whole square, 3 into x power of minus 2, y power of minus 4 given. So 9 square, x as it is, 2 2s are 4, y 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Here 3 power of minus 4, x minus 4 into minus 2 plus 8, y minus 4 1s are minus 4. 9 square, 9 9s are 81. X power of 4 as it is, y power of minus 2 as it is. 3 power of minus 4, 1 by 3 power of 4 into x power of 8, y power of minus 4. Now numbers one side, x, y one side. 81 into 1 by 3 power of 4, 4 times 81. Number one side. X to the power of 4, x to the power of 8 one side. Y to the power of minus 2 into y to the power of minus 4. So this 81 cancel 1. X to the power of base is same, power should be added, 4 plus 8. Y power of minus 2 minus 4. So 1 into x 4 plus 8 12 dot y power of minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. So x to the power of 12, y power of minus 6, minus means 1 by y power of 6. Next, last question, 4 power of x square, y power of minus 2, z power of minus 3 whole square, 2 to the power of x, 2 into x power of minus 3, y square, z power of 4 whole power of minus 4. So given, now 4 square, x as it is, 2 2s are x to the power of 4, y as it is, 2 into minus 2 minus 4, z as it is, 2 into minus 3 minus 6. Next, bring it here, 2 to the power of minus 4, x as it is, minus 4 into minus 3, plus 12, y as it is, minus 2 into plus minus 4 into 2, minus 8, z as it is, minus 4 into 4, minus 16. 4 square 16, x4 as it is, y4 as it, y power of minus 4, z power of minus 6. 2 to the power of minus 4, 1 by 2 to the power of plus 4. As it is, this as it is, and this as it is. Okay. Next, 16 into 1 by 2 power of 4, 1 by 16 into x and x one side, y and y one side, z and z one side. So this 16 cancel 1, x to the power of 4 plus 12, 4 plus 12, 16, y to the power of minus 4 minus 8 minus 12, z to the power of minus 6 minus 16 minus 22. So x to the power of 16 by y to the power of 12, z to the power of 22. That's all.